Preschool with kidglo English. 10 common instruction phrases for school.
Open your book.
Open your book.
Close your book.
Close your book.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Sit down, please.
Sit down, please.
Stand up, please.
Stand up, please.
Write your name.
Write your name.
Don't talk, please.
Don't talk, please.
Pay attention.
Pay attention.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel